Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we'll be making Japanese egg sandwich, or also known as Tamago Sando. Coming up. So the first step is to bring some water to the boil. Add 3 eggs to the water. I'm using a ladle to gently lower the eggs so they don't crack. Leave the eggs in for 8 to 10 minutes to become hard-boiled. Once the eggs are done, drain the water and place immediately into iced water. This is a handy trick to make them super easy to peel later on. Next, cut the crust off 2 slices of bread. This is how you'll find egg sandwiches served in Japan. We are using white bread here, but in Japan, they use soft milk bread. Now it's time to peel the eggs. They should be easy to peel after resting in cold water. Place these in a bowl and using a fork, smash the eggs into small pieces. Add 3 tablespoons of Kewpie Japanese Mayo, a pinch of sugar, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mix. Add in some milk to make the mixture a bit more creamy. Now it's time to assemble the sandwiches. Simply spread a generous amount of mixture into the middle of 1 slice of bread. And close it with a second slice. Cut it diagonally. Now you got yourself a Japanese egg sandwich. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, now we're here to try. That was so bad.
I was behind the camera today, guys. And we have our lovely Jemma here today, who did a fantastic job at making these Japanese egg sandwiches.
Tamago Sando.
Great job.
All right,
okay,
shall
let's
we try?
Try. Cheers. Mmm.
Very nice.
It's like it's like really nice and creamy because of the mayo with the egg. And it's got a really nice flavour because you've seasoned it really well.
Thank you.
Yeah, the salt.
And the sugar. Kewpie Mayo makes this, yeah.
And the great thing is when you make it, it's like really just by taste. You don't have to be too exact with your ingredients, eh? Like if you like a bit more mayo with your eggs, then you can add a bit more mayo, a bit more saltier. You can also add a bit more salt. Anyways, let's sign off.
Bye!
Bye!